Hoy desperté y entendí que cada nuevo día ya es un regalo. No tengo todo, pero tengo tanto. Gracias, Dios.
Hello to all of our amazing CH&L clients, and a warm welcome to any new friends joining us today. We are so thrilled you're here for episode 1 of our brand new series. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a very special, very significant project we're undertaking for the wonderful senior community here at Concord Mobile Homes. We've got a big job ahead of us, and we are taking you along for the entire journey.
Tú me das más de lo que puedo esperar. Gracias por lo que no entendí, pero me hizo crecer dentro de mí. Por la comida sencilla y caliente, por la salud que cuida silente. Gracias.
Right now, we are officially in phase 1, the demolition. Before we can build something incredible for these residents, the old, worn-out foundation has to go. And let me tell you, this wasn't just a quick tear out. We've spent the last couple of days carefully removing a substantial amount of old, heavy concrete, and completely clearing out the entire area. A project like this requires a huge amount of patience and dedication. It's not something you want to rush. It's going to take us some time to bring this vision to complete fruition. But here at CH&L, we don't take shortcuts. We are 100% committed to doing this right. The seniors living here deserve a top-tier finish that's safe, beautiful, and built to last. Seeing phase 1 wrapped up cleanly gives us so much pride because it sets the foundation literally for everything coming next. We are genuinely so excited about the progress we've made in just these first few days. Demolition is messy, but clearing out the old is the first step to making room for something awesome. We can't wait to show you what comes next as we move into the rebuilding phases. We're going to be dropping regular video updates so you can watch this entire transformation unfold right alongside us. Thank you all so much for following along on this rewarding endeavor. Your support means the world to our team and to the community here at Concord Mobile Homes. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, or follow our page. and drop a comment below to let us know what you think of the progress so far. Stay tuned for episode 2, we'll see you on the next one.